Hey guys, Christina here to show you how to refill your zebra colored pencils. Guys, I love these pencils. They are perfect for adults and children. With their triangular shaped barrel, your pencil cannot fall off the table. It also provides a comfortable, natural grip. Now let's refill this pencil. Notice the number at the tip of the pencil. It will indicate the color lead you will need. Hold the tip of the pencil down and give it a little shake to make sure there's no lead inside and to prevent any jamming. Find the matching number on the colored pencil refill packet. Pull out that color. And insert the lead into the tip of the pencil while you hold down the opposite side fully. Get the tip of the pencil to the desired length you'd like, and you are ready to color. Let us know if you have any additional questions. Make sure you're following us on social media, and for additional refills, visit zebrapen.com.